This video is going to be an introduction about how to use Excel, and I'm going to start by showing you how to put in formulas. So you have this worksheet in your folder. It's called Introduction to Excel, and I'm using the same document that you're going to be using to show you how to do this. All right, so what we're going to do first is learn how to put in simple formulas. We have different operators in Excel: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and these are the symbols on the left-hand side of your sheet. So when you want to put in an addition formula, you would use the plus, subtraction for minus, multiplication is the asterisk, and then the slash is for division. In order to input a cell, we're going to double tap the cell, which will bring up our keyboard, and we need to make sure that we put in equals first. Equals indicates that this is a formula to Excel. So then we're going to take the two numbers and put them in, 125, and then the addition sign, and then 375. And then if we hit the arrow key to put away our keyboard, we could tap outside the cell, or we could click the check mark on the side and it'll give us that. So we can do it that way, or we can just click anywhere else and it'll come up with the same number. I just wanted to show you both ways. Okay, and we can do the same thing for subtraction as well. Okay, so that's the first way to insert a formula. The second way is to use a cell reference. So we can note that there are different rows and columns here. For example, down here, we have in the addition problem, we're using cell B, column B, and then row 16. Okay, so if you click on that, you can see that that's B16 that I have highlighted right there. You can see the highlight around B and the highlight around 16. That is a cell reference. B16 is its reference. So we're going to use cell references for that. So now we're going to go into our area where we're going to enter the formula. We're going to put equals, and we're going to tap the cell we want to reference, and notice that it highlights it. Then we're going to add it to the cell below it. And so now we can see that B17 is highlighted, and then we can hit accept, and we can see that now we've used cell references. So that's how we do simple formulas in Excel.